Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Luda, aka Nitty Life, and today we are going to crochet this very simple heart granny square scarf. This is very beginner friendly and it's super easy to make. If you want to make one of these for yourself, totally continue watching. Alright guys, so today we are going to need a few things. We're going to use this chart that I found on Pinterest, copyrighted by Retta Gabe 2018, and I'll have a link down below in my description box. This is the granny square that we're going to make. So I made mine in orange and black and orange, and I was gonna make a shirt at first, but then I ran out of the color, the orange, and closest yarn store is 2 hours away. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a scarf out of these. We're just gonna stack them on top, do some borders. But first, I want to show you how to make the granny square. So I'm going to use these two colors to show you how to do it, and I'm going to use my 5mm hook. So let's get started. And I'll also have the photo on top as well. So first thing we're going to do, if you look at the photo, it's a magic circle. Magic ring? Magic circle. Sounded wrong. So a magic ring. So what we're going to do is we're going to loop our yarn through 2 fingers is what I usually do. Just around. Make sure you cross them over. You're gonna grab your hook and you're gonna pull the yarn through, and then you're gonna chain 1. Perfect. So for this, if you look in the circle, you have 1, 2, 3 chains right there. When you see the chains and the dot right there in the middle coming up, that's how you know where to start. So we're gonna chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna make 2 double crochet. So the sticks that you see with kind of crossover, that means a double crochet. That's all we need to know for this chart. So we're gonna do 2 double crochet. So yarn over, go in that same circle, pull up a loop. You have 3 chains, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, because we gotta make 3 total. Pull through, pull through. Awesome. Then you're gonna chain 1. That's what that circle means. So chain 1. Then we are going to chain again 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. Again, chain 1. I'm going to tighten my circle a little by pulling the end. Again, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Again, chain 1, and last 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. And what it looks like